Okay. Oh my goodness. Reached out to ThinkBoard because I became a new teacher, came into this classroom, and it was lacking modernity. What I mean by that is it was full of chalkboard. Now we know as teachers, research says the engagement of students, white, written on black, 20% engagement, hard to see smudges. And then when you have whiteboards, right, the engagement automatically rises to at least 75 to 90% because the black or colors written on white brings better visibility. It touches all students, engages all excitedly, and white is just a much better background. Hanson from ThinkBoard came out and did my whiteboards. They were both blackboards. Look at this now and look at how bright my room looks. Look at already the two posters that's up there, how they pop from the background of the white color. I don't know how anyone is writing on chalkboards in 2022. I really don't know. You need to reach out to ThinkBoard and get your boards done. Thank you, Hanson. You changed my life and my students' life. Yes.
Nice.
I'm so grateful.